This airplane is scheduled for a transatlantic flight tomorrow, and maintenance control wants you to check the MMEL to see if the airplane can fly with a left pack ACM status message. First, you must verify the status message is still displayed. Select a panel to check current status messages. Select the center primary ICAS display. Touch the highlighted area. Good. The left pack ACM message is active. Take a look at the MMEL to see if the airplane can be dispatched with this status message active. Since this is to be an extended range flight, the problem must be fixed. Choose a tool to begin troubleshooting. Correct. The troubleshooting process begins with the Fault Isolation Manual procedures. Select the correct tab to begin fault isolation. Find the correct ICAS message. Select the correct message. Good. Now select the correct FIM tab. Touch the highlighted area. The APU is running and the circuit breaker configuration is as required in the prerequisites. Electrical power and the pneumatic system are on. Select a tool to continue your troubleshooting. Good. This fault isolation procedure requires a technician on the flight deck and another outside the airplane standing close to the left ram air outlet. Select the correct panel to continue. That's correct. The left pack switches are on the P5 panel. Touch the correct area to get to the pack switch. Good. Now correctly configure the panel switches. Continue. Continue. Great. Now check with the technician outside to see if there is any airflow coming from the left ram air outlet. I have inspected the ram air inlet and it is not blocked and I don't feel any flow coming from the ram air outlet. Make the correct Block 1 and 21 selections. There is no airflow and the ram air inlet is not blocked. Touch the highlighted area. Continue. Follow the Block 2 procedure and select a tool to continue. Touch the highlighted area. Correct. Use the FIM to continue troubleshooting. You can continue with your troubleshooting. All of the circuit breakers listed in the prerequisites are closed. Electrical power is on. Pneumatic power and the packs are off. Choose a tool to configure the air conditioning system according to the requirements shown in the FIM procedure. Go to the flight deck. Good. The left and right trim selectors and the flight deck temperature selector are in the correct position. Now correctly complete the FIM requirements for air conditioning panel configuration. Continue. 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 The air conditioning system is now in the correct configuration. Continue. Choose a tool to continue. Continue. Select the correct answer for Block 1. Continue. The CTC has identified a fault. Select the correct answer for Block 2. Select the fault to make a record for your notebook. Continue. Good. Fault history has been checked and no more fault isolation information is available from the CTC at this point. Turn off the cabin temperature controller. Continue. Good. Now choose a tool to continue your troubleshooting. Very good. You should go to tab section 21-51-00 to continue. Select the fault to add it to your notebook. Now go to Table 102. Good. Table 102 gives more information to help identify the cause of the system failure. Continue to Table 103. The left air cycle machine has failed. Now go to the maintenance manual reference to continue with the repair. The air cycle machine weighs just over 100 pounds, so ground support equipment is required. Continue with preparations for removal. You are now ready to start removing the left air cycle machine. Make sure you obey this warning. Go to Chapter 36 to find the maintenance procedure to depressurize the pneumatic system. Go to the flight deck to do the task to depressurize the pneumatic system. The APU has been shut down, and all actions have been taken to depressurize the pneumatic system. Continue to prepare for the removal of the air cycle machine. Pneumatic power has been removed and the pack switches are off and tagged. Now go to the left ECS bay access door to start the ACM removal. Touch an area on the airplane where the ECS bay door should be. Good. You now have access to the left ECS system components. Before you continue, make sure you obey the warning. The remainder of the actions required by the maintenance manual to prepare for the removal of the ACM have been done. You are now ready to lower the ACM onto the lift fixture. Continue with the procedure. Select the air cycle machine to place it on the lift fixture. Great! You have successfully removed the failed component. Prepare to install the replacement ACM. This is the replacement air cycle machine. All of the required Chapter 21 maintenance manual requirements for ACM installation have been done. Touch the ACM to install it in the ECM bay. Excellent. The replacement ACM is correctly installed. You must now do the maintenance manual requirements for the ACM post-installation test. This is to verify your repair. The APU has been restarted and is supplying pneumatic and electrical power. The left trim air switch and the left pack switch are in the proper positions. Select a tool to continue the repair verification. Correct. The CTC is used for repair verification. Continue with the maintenance manual procedure. Select this channel. Find the Ground Tests menu. Good. You have found the Ground Tests menu. Continue. This is the correct ground test. Continue. The pneumatic test is in progress and will take approximately 2 minutes to complete. No air leaks were felt at the ACM connections and the test passed. Go to the flight deck and make sure the status message has cleared. Great job! The left pack ACM status message is cleared. This airplane is now ready for its transatlantic flight. call Maintenance Control and tell them this airplane is ready to go.